To use one-handed mode on Realme 14 Pro Plus, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First, you have to go into the settings, and from here scroll all the way down and go for the accessibility and convenience. Right there. And from here we have the one-handed mode, so let's go in here, and there is the note that this feature only works when the navigation gestures are enabled. So this means that we cannot use buttons as the system navigation, we need to use gestures instead. So let's quickly switch to gestures, and we can do this by pressing to enabling this one-handed mode, and here we are being notified to turn on one-handed. To turn it on, we need the gestures first. So let's go into the settings, and here we have to select gestures, and let's cancel this one actually. And alright, now we can go back, and here we can enable one-handed mode, and here's the instruction that we have to swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter the one-handed mode. And just like this, as you do this, we are now in the one-handed mode. And actually, why it's not working? I mean, we are in the one-handed mode, but alright. But we cannot actually scroll down, so that's kind of weird. But anyways, to actually enter the one-handed mode, we have to do the gesture like this, and to go back we have to simply swipe up, or we have to tap on this blank space on our screen. And that's basically how to enter this one-handed mode.